Hi, in this section, I will be explaining how to deliver outstanding support, how to build your support department using ticketing platform of Splynx. I will split it in 3 sections. The first one will be explaining the ticketing system and flow in general in Splynx system. Then we will take a look on the reporting for continuous improvement. And then I will tackle configuration. We work with support a lot. It's an important part of our business, and we focus on this area. And because we have experience in that, doing this ourselves, and we try to also implement the same approach in our software and show it to customers how we do it, and also help them to improve their support. If we see there is all of the reviews, I think 90% of reviews that we have on our software is related to support. So actually not the features itself, but product and support. How we do that. So I will quickly show now the flow in general in Splynx for support for tickets, and then we will look at the reporting and configuration, as I mentioned. So let's check here. This is the dashboard for our ticketing. These values are the most important values that we think are needed for us, and that's why we show them on the first screen on the dashboard. This shows me the history of how many new tickets and reopened tickets we had during the selected period. By default, it's selecting the last week. I was playing a bit with that, and it showed me the previous week, but now this is, for example, from today's 11th of March, we got 41 support tickets, 65 we got yesterday, and we need to deal with all these tickets, and we try to answer them all during one day. And this is one of the criteria that we always check and we always measure. Okay, there is a recent activities where I can see all our administrators writing and answers from customers. If I scroll down, then you can see my list of assigned administrators. So all these people work with Splynx. They work with customers and write to customers. This is the amount of tickets assigned to them. These are the tickets that are assigned to me. And so, for example, if I click on one of these tickets, you can see that there is a communication stored. All the communication is done from client side, is done on the emails. And from my side, I prefer always to use this reply option. So if I need to answer the customer query, I just click the reply and I write here my answer there. It's adding my signature immediately, and then it sends the email to customer, okay, to selected emails. Also, you can see that there are notes that are not visible for clients. These notes we exchange between our team. So you see this is between our team members, Nick, Chris, and there are like 4 people. If I scroll down, this is the option how to scroll down. Here you can see that 4 different people are involved in resolving this situation and resolving this ticket. And this is the option how we communicate internally and how we respond to customers. I can add a note and this note will not be visible. Also, I see the information of customer immediately here. I can see his amount of tickets that we had before, and then all the data that are related to ticket are here on the right side. Watchers, the people who will get notifications about changes inside the tickets, priority, status, all this is possible to configure also. The type, status, priority, this we will be configuring together in the third video. So that's my way of tracking my tickets assigned to me. If I want to look at all tickets, I go to list and view, list and open, and here it shows me the table of tickets. So this is all tickets that we have. For example, here we have 266 open tickets right now. There is a view of table, and also I can click and show the view which I like, and I use it more. It's a more clean view. So this is this type of view, like advanced table, let's say, where I can immediately change, for example, this priority from low to medium. And I can click and again read the ticket and answer the ticket directly there. Also, this quick access allows me to switch and get only my tickets here. only assigned to me. You see 6 tickets only. Or the status allows me to switch between different statuses of tickets and display only tickets that belong to this status. What I also do always is when I open my dashboard and here I see new tickets and waiting on agent. So this is the critical part, so say critical tickets that we need to answer, that we need to resolve during today. And these are the tickets that we track. So if I work with ticketing platform, I always go there to new and check if there are no pending tickets for us, for our side. And or we have a support engineer that is responsible for assigning of tickets. So he is assigning them to different people in the company, but also if we can make it automatic, if it's received on certain email, it can be assigned to a group of engineers or to one engineer, for example, or if the type of ticket is incident, it will be assigned to a person, or if it's a sales query, it will be assigned to the salesperson. So I think that's all from the tickets, how it works. I want also to show how to create a ticket. So if I want to create a ticket, I can do it myself as a administrator. And also here, there is a view. Let's check this customer, for example. And I can log in as customer, and this customer can create tickets. So there are tickets, and he can create a new ticket this way. Also, he can create a new ticket, say new test via portal. Hi, and he just creates the ticket this way. Or he can go there and send the email. So this is my mailbox. How this is sent from email. And he sends it to support@splynx.com or to any mailbox that you have configured. It can be different mailboxes. As I'm saying, support can get the support and sales can have a sales mailbox. So this is sent. And if I go now back to my tickets, that will take some time to refresh. But here we see immediately the first ticket that was created from this customer, new test via portal. If I click on there, shows me the message of client, and I can answer it and say, hi, I don't need this email to be involved, or this email I remove. I can also add the canned response. So this is the response, for example, when we have a new license request, feature request. So we can use this. Thank you for your, please use this website to submit the features. I'm sending it. Now the status is changed to waiting on customer, and customer receives this message in his mailbox. We can go back here to tickets, refresh. Now we see that there is a reply, my reply. And this is my second ticket that was created from email. So if I click on that, it's another one. You see this is my email. My email is not associated in ticketing platform yet to any customer, but this is how the ticket is created, and I can assign it to customer here. So I can say this is customer that it should go to, and now this email is connected to customer profile. And if I go to customer profile, you can see that the customer has 5 tickets at all, 2 open tickets, 3 closed tickets, and there is an average answer per day. For us, 7 days, we answered once on this ticket. That shows us how often do we respond to this customer. So I think that's all for the first part. The second part, we'll look on the configuration and on the reporting. Thank you for your time.